Good evening, NATA aspirants. We are back with our fast track NATA revision series. So let us start with today's topic, that is mixture or allegation. So the very first question on our screen is, in a mixture of 45 liters, the ratio of milk and water is 4:1. How much water must be added to make the mixture ratio 3:2? So initially milk and water are in the ratio 4:1, and total quantity on ratios will become 5, and this actual value is 45 liters. So multiplier will be 9 liters. So it suggests content of water in original mixture is 9 liters and milk in the original mixture is 36 liters. But what happens next is new ratio in final mixture, milk is to water is 3:2, and how much water must be added. So there is no change in content of milk. So originally content of milk was 36 liters. So from here we can calculate the multiplier that will give us actual value of water in the new mixture. So that will be 12 into 2, that is 24 liters, right? So that becomes 24 liters of the water in the new mixture, but it is asked how much water to be added. So this 24 liters will be reduced by 9 liters, as already the mixture contains 9 liters of water. Hence correct answer will be 15 liters. 24 minus 9, that is 15 liters of water is needed to be added in the mixture. Let us see the next one. Two solutions of 90% and 97% purity are mixed and the result is of 21 liter mixture, and the purity of the mixture is 94%. So type 1 has purity of 90%, type 2 has purity of 97%, and these two are mixed to produce a purity of 94%. Right. So here we will apply the allegation method, that is 94 minus 90 gives you 4 and 97 minus 94 gives you 3. So the ratio in which these two solution are mixed, that is type 1 solution and type 2 solution, is 3:4. So on ratios the total volume of the mixture is 7, but in reality this is 21 liters. So the multiplier will be 3 liters. So type 2 solution is 12 liters and type 1 solution is 9 liters. So what we are asked here is quantity of the second solution, that is type 2 solution in the mixture. So that will be 12 liters. So this is it for question number 2. We have covered two different varieties. In first question we identified the ratios and did it with the ratio approach. Here we did it with allegation approach. So let us see the next question. The next question on our screen, it says a vessel contains 20 liters of mixture of milk and water in the ratio 3:2. 10 liters of mixture are removed and replaced with an equal quantity of pure milk. If the process is repeated once more, find the ratio of milk and water in the final mixture obtained. So originally in original mixture, milk and water were in the ratio 3:2. So total quantity at ratio scale will be 5, but in reality it was 20 liters. So multiplier will be 4 liter. So in original mixture, 12 liters of milk was present and 8 liters of water was present. Now, after this, the first iteration takes place, and that in first iteration, 10 liters of the mixture was removed and replaced by equal quantity of pure milk. So, if I remove 10 liters, so in 10 liters, the ratio remains same, that is 6 liters of milk will be removed and 4 liters of water will be removed, right? So after removing 10 liters, we added 10 liters of milk. So already we had 6 liters of milk, 6 liters, and we added 10 liters more. We had 4 liters of water and we had total solution of 20 liters. So after first iteration, ratio of milk to water is 16:4, that is 4:1 after first iteration. But this does not end here, because question suggests if the process is repeated once more, that is after first iteration, second iteration also takes place. So in second iteration again, in 10 liter solution, 8 liters of milk will be removed and 2 liters of water will be removed. So we will be left with 8 liters of milk and 2 liters of water. So new content of milk, 10 liter milk is added. So in total solution of 20 liters, milk will be 18 liters, water will be 2 liters, and we are asked find the ratio of milk to water in the final mixture. So this is our final mixture. So it contains 9:1. Ratio of milk to water as 9:1. So it suggests the answer to question number 3 should be 9:1. Let's move to next one. Excuse me. So question number 4 says a shopkeeper buys 32 liters of milk at rupees 16 per liter. He also buys another source of inferior quality of milk at rupees 10 per liter. So there is two types of milk. Milk 1 pure, milk 2 inferior. Right. So now the question is how much quantity of the liter should he buy to mix it with former, that is former is our this one and later is our this one, so that he can sell the mixture at rupees 14 per liter without making any loss. It means he will not get any profit, but he will not make any loss here, right students? So let's see. We can also solve this by allegation method. So you add a one of rate 16, other of rate 10, and the mixture is of rate 14. So here 16 minus 14 gives you 2, 14 minus 10 gives you 4. So the ratio will be 2:1, but this 2 is given to you as 32 liters. So the multiplier here will be 16, that will give you 32 liters. So we are asked the inferior quality of milk has what quantity? So that quantity will be 16 liters. So 16 liters of later milk, that is inferior quality milk, should be added to make no loss, right students? So I hope you are able to connect with this one as well. If anybody has any doubt till now, please ask in comments. Okay dear students, let's move to next question. The next question is, two vessels A and B contain mixture of milk and water in ratio 4:1 and 9:11 respectively. So we have two vessels here. vessel 1 and vessel 2. So vessel 1 contains milk and water in the ratio 4:1 on a total of 5, and vessel 2 contains milk and water in the ratio 9:11 on a total of 20. When these two are mixed in the ratio 3:2, that is 3 parts of vessel 1 content and 2 parts of vessel 2 content, then the resulting solution will have the mixture in the ratio. So let us calculate for milk first. M1 will be 3 into 4 upon 4 plus 1, that is 12 by 5. Now M2 will be 2 into 9 upon 9 plus 11, that is 2 into 9 by 20, that can be rewritten as 9 by 10. So total milk will be 12 by 5 plus 9 by 10. On solving this, we will have 24 plus 9 by 10, that is 33 by 10. Similarly, we can calculate for water. Water in mixture 1 is 1 by 5 into 3 plus water in 2 is 11 by 20 into 2. So the total water will be 3 by 5 plus 11 by 10, that is 17 by 10. So milk total and water total. The final ratio milk total is to water total will be 33 by 10 upon 17 by 10, that is 33 upon 17. So answer to this one will be option A. Let's move to next one. A vessel contains mixtures of liquid A and liquid B in the ratio 3:2. When 20 liters of the mixture is taken out and replaced by 20 liters of liquid B, the ratio changes to 1:4. How many liters of liquid A was there initially present in the vessel? So guys, this is another variety. Be careful while solving such questions. This is not the variety that we have seen earlier. Here, we don't know the actual quantity, what it was initially, but all we know is initial ratio 3:2. So liquid A का percentage initially is 60% and liquid B का percentage is 40%. How can I calculate this? 3 upon 3 plus 2 into 100. So if you do the math, you will get 60%. So 100 minus 60 gives you 40%. And later what happens? You are mixing liquid B only. So content of in mixing is 100%. So B 40% and B 100% mixes to produce 80, 1:4. So final resultant comes out as A:B in the ratio 1:4. That is, content of B is 80%. So now we can apply allegation method here. So 40 and 100 results in 80. So this is 40, this is 20, right? So this is 1:2. So 2 parts of second, that is 20 liters. So multiplier here is 10 liters. So originally 10 से अगर हम multiply कर रहे हैं तो originally B part was 10 liters, right? Originally B part was 1:2. अगर आप total देख लें यहाँ पर, so total is 3, that is 30 liters. So this 30 liter is the total volume, right? So total volume of 30 liters here, if you consider total 100% in initial one, 100% is equals to 30 liters. So 60% of 30 liters will be 18 liters. See, 10% is 3 and 3 into 6 is 18 liters. So answer to this one will be 18 liters, because we are not asked total quantity, we are asked liquid A there initially present. So initial liquid was 30 liters and ratio was 3:2. So the answer should be 18 liters. So be very careful while solving such questions. It looks quite easy, it tempts you, but it has a certain catch. So let's move to next one. A piece of an alloy of two metals, that is metal A and metal B, weighs 15 gram and costs rupees 150. If the weights of two metals be interchanged, the new alloy would be worth rupees 120. If the price of the metal A is rupees 6 per gram, find the weight of the other metal in the original piece of alloy. Right? So अगर हम पहले A का और B का, A का वेट कुछ X ग्राम था इनिशियली और B का वेट Y ग्राम था. So after exchange, A का वेट will be Y ग्राम and B का वेट will be X ग्राम, right? And दोनों का ही टोटल यहाँ पर 15 ग्राम आना चाहिए, because alloy weighs 15 gram. So can I write it like total weight of both alloys, total amount of both alloys will be 150 plus 120, that is 270, and weight of metal A is 15 gram in total and weight of metal B is also 15 grams, because if this is X, this is 15 minus X, if this is Y, this is 15 minus Y, and this I can write it as X, then this will be 15 minus X. So X plus 15 minus X will result into 15. Our rate of A is given to us as 6. So amount for A will be 15 into 6, that is 90 rupees. So amount for B can be calculated 270 minus 90 by 15, that is 180 by 15. So that gives you 12. So this is the rate, and after getting the rate, I can apply the allegation method, because this rate for original alloy was 150 and weight was 15. So rate will be 10 rupees per gram, right? So 6, 10 difference is 4, 12, 10 difference is 2. So the ratio will be 1:2. Total is 3. 3 ka value in actual is given to you as 15 grams. So multiplier will be 5 gram, and other metal, that is other than A, so the metal B will be 10 grams and metal A will be 5 grams. So we are asked for other metal, that is metal B, that will be 10 grams. Alright students. Let's move to question number 8. This can be done easily as we have already learned such questions. Let's look at it. A mixture of 20 liter of spirit and water contains 10% water. How much water must be added to this mixture to raise the percentage of water to 40%? So initially 10% अगर water है तो percentage milk, here it is spirit and water and total. So if water content is 10%, spirit content must be 90% in a total of 100%, right? But this 100% is nothing but equal to 20 liters. So multiplier is 1 by 5. So content of water is 2 liters and content of spirit is 18 liters. So after this is initial. So in final case what we are adding water, we are not changing this content of spirit. So spirit, water and total. So spirit is 18 liters and percentage of water is 40% in a total of 100%. So content of spirit must be 16 liters. So this multiplier will be 18 by 60, that is 3 by 10. So 3 by 10 से अगर आप यहाँ multiply करते हैं, so that will give you 12 liters. So 12 liters of water in the final mixture, but you already had 2 liters. So need to be added, must be added. So must be added is 10 liters. Be very careful guys. If the question would be the percentage of quantity of water in the final mixture, the answer would have been 12 liters. But here you need to answer how much must be added. So it will be 10 liters. Sure Swapnil, we can discuss the allegation method. In case of allegation method, I'll come back to the allegation method after completion of the questions. So stay connected Swapnil, we'll discuss the allegation method. Let's see the question number 9. 50 liters of mixture contains 30% of alcohol and rest water. So alcohol, water, total. Water content is 30%. In a total of 100%, the content of alcohol will be 70%. And this time this is equal to 50 liters. So multiplier is 1 by 2 liters. So content of water is 15 liters. Content of alcohol is 35 liters in the original mixture. Now what happens if 5 liters of alcohol be mixed in it? So total alcohol, quantity of alcohol gets changed with 35 plus 5 and this becomes 40 liters, but there is no change in the quantity of water, that is 15 liters. So total quantity will be 55 liters and you need to determine the percentage of alcohol. So this can be alcohol upon total, that is 40 by 55 into 100, that is, if you cancel it by 5 you will get 8 by 11, right? 8 by 11 so 8 by 11 into 100. So 1 by 11, 100 by 11 is 9.09%. So 8 into 9.09 is 72.72%. So correct one should be 72.72%. So this option A should be 72.72%, not 27.27, right? So the answer to this one will be 72.72%. Last question for the series, and after that we will discuss the allegation method quickly. A fresh fruit contains 72% water and dry fruit contains 20% water. How much dry fruit from 100 kg of fresh fruit can be obtained? So fresh fruit must contain two things. One is pulp, the other one is water, and same can be said about dry fruit. pulp and water. So in original fresh fruit, content of water was 72%, that means content of pulp must be 28%, and in total it will be 100%. And this 100% is nothing but equal to 100 kg. It is mentioned here, fresh fruit 100 kg. So multiplier is 1. So 72 kg of water is there and 28 kg of pulp is there. So what happens in from fresh fruit to dry fruit? There is no change in the quantity of pulp. The quantity of pulp remains the same here. So we will go by pulp. This 28 kg pulp and this water content is 20%. So pulp ka percentage has to be 80%, in all 100%. So this 80% is equal to 28 kg. So this 80 ka 1/4 is 20. So 28 ka 1/4 should be 7 kg. So total fruit will be 35 kg. So answer to this one will be 35 kg. Alright guys. So this is it from my end, but as per the request of the students, so let's quickly go for the allegation method, Swapnil. See here, in case of allegation method, when we apply allegation method, when you are given two individual values and their average is given to you. See, type 1 का percentage was given to you, type 2 का percentage is given to you, and इनका mixture, इनको mix करने से जो final resultant आ रहा है, वो value is also given to you. So, if you are known with individual values and the final resultant value, you can apply allegation method, and difference of the two. So this type 1 is cross में आप इनका difference लिखते हैं. You write the difference in the cross. This 94 minus 90 gives you 4. This is written here. This 97 minus 94, this 3 is written here. This 3 represents type 1 and this 4 represents ratio of type 2 in the mixture. Is it clear to you, Swapnil? Please respond, Swapnil. So you can always apply this allegation method. Alright, Swapnil. Thank you for the response. So I hope this is clear to you all. Guys, we will be back with the same series tomorrow. We'll have another topic covered from the point of view of NATA. So thank you guys. Thank you for tuning in.